Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. This is a simple component. While starting this component in Creo Parametric, first create the sketch of this surface and extrude up to the length of 72. Then we just want to do the material removal features. Then we'll create this sketch, will remove this material, then we'll create this sketch and remove this material, then we'll create this sketch and remove this material, then finally we'll create the whole center of the circle. Now we'll model this using Creo Parametric. To model this component, I'm just keeping our fixture here. Go to new, solid part, and take this use default template, say OK. Our units are in mm. Choose mm part solid absolute, say OK. So I'm going to start with the right side. So right plane, sketch view. Now we'll create a sketch, outer sketch. We'll take a line. This is our outer sketch. Now we can modify all the dimension by using a modify option. So select this one, modify, untick this generate. This one we don't have a dimension, and this one is having a dimension of 145. Then this one has a dimension of 25. This is 19. This is having a dimension of 90 minus 25, 65. Then we just want to add this one. This has the dimension of 145 minus 35. Just say OK. Fit screen. So this is, they are not given. This total dimension is 145. This is 110. This one is 25. Now we have modeled a complete sketch. Say OK. Go to extrude. Make it symmetric. Now the extrusion length is 72. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this model. Then we just want to create this. We just want to remove this feature. Select the surface, sketch view. To remove this feature, make a reference of this top edge, mid one, and left side. Close it. Now just create an axis, center line at the mid. Then create a circle. The radius of 30. Here they have mentioned it. Dimension. This one is 30. Then we just want to create a line somewhere here. This height they mentioned as 30 from the bottom. From here to here it is 30. The same line has to be mirrored. At the bottom it is 30. From the top it is 24. They have mentioned here. Now one more line, you just create it at the top somewhere here. The dimension from the top to here is 24. It's not a symmetric actually, that is they have mentioned here. Now select these two lines, press the roller, undo, select these two lines, select this mirror option, select this plane, it is getting mirrored. Now we just want to close the sketch, select this line, close it here, similarly close it here. Now we just want to remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Now the complete sketch is done. Save OK, extrude. Now it has to be removed up to the length of 10. Variable, change direction, it is 10. Save OK. Now we have done. Then we just want to remove a material here of 70 length, height of 5. Same had to be extruded up to the length of 50. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Now take the corner rectangle, just put a small rectangle. This one is 70 and this one is 5. Just say OK, extrude, change the direction. It has to be extruded up to the length of 50. Save OK. Then we just want to make a slot cut here. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Go to reference, take this as a reference and this edge, close. Now take a circle, just draw a circle. The circle radius is 12. Go to dimension. This radius is 12 and this center height is 50. Now just take a line, close the sketch. Now sketch is done. Now we just want to remove unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Now it is done. Now just say OK, extrude, change the direction to next, save OK. Instead of pressing OK, we can press the mouse roller. Now finally we just want to create the hole here. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view, circle center, just close. This diameter they have specified as 24. Save OK, extrude, change the direction to next, press the roller to confirm. Now our model is finished. This is our model. This is the view they have shown. To change the color of our model, go to view, appearance, any color we can choose, more appearance, metal. So this is generic metal color, choose it here, save OK. Any color we can choose like this. So in that we have completed this model using Creo Parametric. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.